Are you struggling to come up with fresh ideas for your YouTube channel? Do you find yourself scattered in a sea of notes and half-baked concepts? Or if you're anything like me, maybe you have tons of saved folders and videos on Instagram and TikTok that never actually get made. Well, at least that was me before I found this feature on Planoly. So today I'm going to walk you through how you can find endless video ideas and organize them using this feature on Planoly. And if you want to get started with your own Planoly account, you can click the link in the description below to get 30% off your Planoly account using the code Melissa30. So first, I'm going to actually show you how to use this feature on my computer itself and how you can organize everything. And then you're going to want to make sure to stay until the end because I'm actually going to show you how you can also send video ideas straight from your phone into the Planoly account so you can keep everything organized with the click of a button. All right, let's jump over into my computer. All right, so when you first log into your Planoly account, I want you to hover over into your multi-channel workspace, okay? From there, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to this little pencil icon on the left-hand side that says Create. So once you click on that, you're going to see some different options come up here and you're going to click on Media Library. And what this is going to do is it's going to bring up your ideas section within Planoly, this dashboard that allows you to start organizing all of your video ideas. This allows Planoly to act as more than just a scheduler, but actually as a content planner as well, and a place to keep all your ideas in one central place so that you're no longer looking for video ideas on your folders on TikTok and then on Instagram and all the different places and feeling very overwhelmed on which video to actually execute on. So this is a really great place to send all of those ideas to and manage them all in one central place to make your creation process a lot faster. So if we come out to the top here and click New Media, you're going to see that there's some different options. So you can create notes, images, videos, or URLs. And so you can really start to organize the different things that you want to put into this section and create different folders for each different platform or different content pillar or however you want to organize your content. But the really cool part of this feature that I want to highlight the most is this URL feature, because what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to bring in URLs from saved videos from Instagram or TikTok and allow you to collect them in one place. So if I click URL here, what I can do is I can take one of my saved URLs from Instagram and paste it right into this section here. And what it's going to do is it's going to bring in that video from Instagram here, and I can add any details that I want to it of how I would want to recreate this viral reel. So here I could say, is somebody creating YouTube videos, bring in on autopilot. So this is my note to myself that this is how I want to recreate this reel. And so now I can just say add media. And now it's added it straight into my library. And I can continue to do that with all of the different saved things from across my different platforms. The other cool feature here as well is the notes section. So if I had any notes that I wanted to create for myself, so say I'm out for a walk, or maybe I'm with my kids or doing something else besides work, obviously, and an inspiration comes to me, I can actually come in here and add an idea. So maybe that's my content idea and I can say add media. And so really what it's doing is it's creating a section of all of your ideas so you can brainstorm them. And then you can come in here when it's time to plan out your monthly content and just grab these ideas and start to execute on them, right? The other thing I love about this feature so much is that you can actually send these video ideas straight from your TikTok app or your Instagram app using your phone. So let's jump over and show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so let's go through how we can actually send these ideas straight from our Instagram or TikTok app right into this Planoly section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come into my Instagram account and I'm going to go into all of my saved posts. And so you can see I have a bunch of different saved posts in here, and I'm going to scroll down until I can find one that I want to recreate, right? So maybe I want to recreate this one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to this little paper airplane at the bottom here, and I'm going to say copy link. And then what I can do is come into my Planoly app and actually hit this little light bulb on the bottom of it. And that's going to bring me to my idea section. From here, I can hit the little plus on the top and say URL, and I can just click and paste the URL right in here. There we go. And now I can add any titles or information that I wanted to. So I can say, trust me, you'll be fine. And then my before and after. So I can leave myself a little note of what I wanted to do to recreate this reel. And I can do the same thing with TikTok. So if I come over into my TikTok account and I hit this little share button down here, again, I can say copy link, come back into my Planoly account, hit the plus button, URL, and I can paste the link right inside the URL there and say whatever my idea is and hit save. And now it's been added into my media library. Okay, so now that we have a bunch of video ideas collected in here, now we can organize them. And like I said before, you can organize them in any way that you want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up into new media here and I'm going to say folder. And in here, I'm going to say Instagram ideas and say create. And then I'm also going to say a new folder and I'm going to say TikTok ideas. And that way I can make sure that everything's organized by where the trending sound is being found. Now what I can do is just hover over until I see this little thing here and say drag it up and put it into the proper folder. Just like that. And now everything's perfectly organized into all of my different folders within this Planoly app. All right, now that you know how to come up with video ideas and how to organize them using this feature, the next step is actually creating the videos themselves, right? So make sure to check out this video right here to learn how I create my YouTube shorts and my short form videos fast. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that share button and share it with others on social media. And don't forget to subscribe so you get access to more content like this every single week. Thanks so much for watching and we'll catch you next time. Bye.